Here we go, guys. Here is the 2024 Camaro in Nitro Yellow. First ever Nitro Yellow car. I came off the assembly line. Look at that metallic flake in that Nitro Yellow. And this one is, can you tell by those rims? SS 108 black matte hood, satin mirrors, and the satin rocker. Yep. Check that out, guys. First ever Nitro Yellow 2024 Chevrolet Camaro, courtesy of Mr. Adam Barry. Woo, look at that paint. And we'll get better video and pictures in the sun tomorrow, but I wanted to be one of the first guys on YouTube to show you guys this car at night and what it looks like. Just another quick walk around of that color. Look at that front SS. And as you know, as of 2020, the SS badges on one of these is dark. Actually looks really good. And they will not be making a lot of that Nitro Yellow, obviously, since, you know, they only have 5 months of build time for 2024. But it looks really good. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. And we will post this on the page here at the Camaro Cave. Nitro Yellow 2024. Only at Camaro Fest. Here is the 2024 Chevrolet Camaro in Nitro Yellow. New color for 2024. Look at it in the sunlight. Absolutely gorgeous. Some people won't like it, some people will. Yellow has to grow in it, and definitely have to see in person. Video and even photographs don't do it justice. That's for sure.
Is this your car? No.
Just doing another little walk around of the 24 Camaro in Nitro Yellow. Which I actually cleaned today and detailed, and that's why it looks all pretty. Absolutely gorgeous.
How do I know if it started? I go put your hand on it. Vibration. Yeah.
Nitro Yellow, our first 2024. Check out the Nitro Yellow in the sunlight. It's crazy how every panel, when you're looking down the side of the car, can be different due to the metallic flake in the paint.
Oh, because it's so full. Oh, that. Yeah. Hang on, let you go. Like it says, hang on to what you got.
Absolutely beautiful. 2024 2SS 1LE Nitro Yellow Metallic with satin black accents.
This is more old than yellow. You know what I mean?
I know exactly.
It just got more flake in it. And they threw the black.
Like if you stand,
exactly what
You know what I'm saying?
back here,
You don't see it.
Yeah, you're right.
So that I wanted to see it.
Yeah.